Okay. BRS, we can perform on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, depend upon organization to organization. Mostly nowadays, every client is doing on daily basis. Okay, mostly they have started doing on daily basis or weekly mandatory they are doing it. Okay, so here BRS means what? So normally in book language, your bank statement versus your book statement. Your book statement versus your bank statement. So in SAP, your bank statement versus SAP statement or SAP balances. That is the simple thing between your BRS thing. So how it is going to be happen? So we will take some example of entries. So we will keep some opening balance at both book level as well as bank level. Then we will do some data entries like customer receipts or vendor payables. Then how the data entries and how are we going to reconcile it. Okay. So earlier example, if you look at the accrual point of view, simply I have used cash by bank account. So, but when it comes to the real-time entries, they won't use directly the bank or cash account. Instead of that one, they will use some alternative accounts or intermediary accounts. Okay, so that is what we are going to see it now here. So let's take, this is your SAP book. This is your bank. Okay, so your bank balance, let's take it as 10 lakhs and SAP book also you are having 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, whatever the data entry you are going to do it, first it will happen in your SAP, then it will be happening in your bank. Clear, sir? Because all the transactions or nature of transactions you are performing in your SAP. Okay. So in SAP, what we do it for every bank, for every house bank, we can say. House bank account. Okay. Not banks or house bank account, every account. Okay. For every bank account, we will maintain the GL accounts, minimum 3, sir. Minimum 3 accounts, 3 GLs. Maximum you can use as per business requirement. One is bank main account. 2 is bank outgoing GL account. 3 is bank incoming GL. Okay. Along with these things, based on your nature of transaction, you can define your provision account, bank provisional account, or check issue account separately instead of outgoing GL account. Instead of using one outgoing GL account, you can use check issue account. Check payment medium accounts like file formats, any file format. Okay, you can take file formats means like your RTGS, NIFT, all those things will come, sir. In our training, we have seen MT103, MT101, and then one of your DMET sketches. So these are your file formats. It might be a text file format or an XML file format. Okay. So this is the way you can define as many as GL account for a single bank account based on business requirement. Okay. So based on business requirement, you can maintain these many GL accounts. But your bank reconciliation versus your SAP reconciliation will happen to your main bank account only. Your reconciliation between your happen to main bank account only, not for any other accounts. Okay, so we will take one or two examples in terms of customer and vendor. Then we will see how are we going to do the reconciliation. Okay. Let's take example of customer invoice. I'm going to take as well as vendor invoice, same which we have done. So debit customer lakh, credit revenue 1 lakh. This is your customer invoice. Same way vendor invoice, debit expenditure, credit vendor. I'm taking 2 lakhs each. These are your invoices. Let's assume whenever you are getting a payment receipt, okay, customer is paying it. So immediately you are going to do a data entry in system saying that debited to bank income GL and credited to customer. This is what you are going to perform. So here you will maintain the respective 1 lakh. Okay, this is what you are going to perform. So in your SAP book, your SAP main bank account is 10 lakhs only. It is not 11 lakhs. When it will become 11 lakhs, then you will get. Sir, please be mute. Okay. So when it comes to the bank statement, then only you are going to make the proper entry. So now you are going to take your BRS statement. Then in your BRS statement, you have shown this one. This is the entry. So what system will do now in BRS? Debit main bank account as 1 lakh and credited to bank outgoing, sorry, incoming GL. Okay, sir. After this one, what is your bank balance? Bank balance is 10 plus 1 lakh. So that is your 11 lakhs earlier based on your statement. And your bank main account also now 10 lakhs plus 1 lakh which we have reconciled, which is also becomes your 11 lakhs. So that is what you are going to do reconciliation. This is the entry at the time of your incoming posting. This is at the time of your BRS reconciliation. Okay. Same way we will see the vendor point of view also. So you are doing payment to vendor. Debit vendor account credited to bank outgoing GL. Clear, sir? Now you are going to do your BRS based on your bank statement. BRS. Okay. So now debited to bank outgoing GL credited to bank main account. So now your balance will become 11 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. That is 9 lakhs. This is your reconciliation. So here, incoming 1 GL account, outgoing 1 more GL account. Same way you can use your provisional GL account, whether need to be reconciled or not. If you reconciled, then the value will get updated to your bank account. If you are not reconciled, then it will be available in your provisional account. Same way your check issue, whether the check has been deposited and issued the money or not, then based on that you can do your reconciliation, either income or outgoing. Same way your payment mediums, file transfers. Okay, same way the entries will be. This is the way your entries will happen. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, is there any manual setting for to check validation, like some value? We need to manually input that whether it needs to be reconciled or not, or at the time of creation of GL, is there any box need to check up?
Yes, sir. That is what I said, right? The configuration
Yes.
we need to do it. And while doing this reconciliation, what you need to do it? You will get the file from your bank. You will
Yes, sir.
download your file from bank and you will upload the same into SAP system. While doing that uploading process, you can do either manually or automatic process also through background jobs. Okay, but
Okay.
to get this one, automatically the reconciliation entries get posted. Yes, we need to do the configuration. We need to define your account symbols, then mapping of accounts, posting rules, and mapping of your posting rules to external transaction types. Your external transaction types, nothing but your nature of transaction in your bank, whether it is check transaction or a file format transaction like RTGS, IMPS, or UPI, or whatever XYZ. So nature of your transaction, you will map your posting rules, and then posting rules link to your account symbol. Account symbol has the GL account mapping. That respective GL account will pick for your clearing postings. Okay, sir?
Can you please give the example of bank provisional account?
Yeah, sir. That is what I said, sir. Morning. Instead of debit salaries credited to bank or cash account, I said, you will keep that one in your provisional account. And at the time of doing your actual payment, during that time, you will process to that one provisional account to bank account.
Okay.
Morning, first one accrual point of Egypt. I said, right? You can do this process or you can do the other way of it. You can do debit salary versus salary provisional. And at the time of doing your actual entry, make it as debit provisional to credit bank. That way also you can do it. Both the ways we can do it, sir.
Okay.
It depends upon based on the respective accounting person or respective client, however they want to use. Okay. Clear, sir, BRS? Anybody having any doubt?
Sir, in electronic bank statement, there is an algorithm, right? Automatic something.
Yes, algorithm is different thing, sir. Algorithms is, see, you are having the same similar nature of transaction. That means IMPS or RTGS. Let's take Indian point of view examples.
Okay.
You are having the same nature of transaction, but you want to differentiate the GL accounts based on some like assignment field or reference field by using some whatever the reference you are going to use it. So in my assignment field, if I am having number 1000, then use GL account as 1. In my assignment field, if it has 2000, then use GL account 2.
That will
The
come
nature
on
of
masking, right,
transaction is
sir?
IMPS only.
So that will come on masking, right, sir? That will come on masking. Main account was on 1 and sub GL account 2, 3, like that.
Yeah, correct.
It will come on masking.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. You can use algorithms or search strings to differentiate your GL accounts at the time of doing your BRS clearing. Okay?
Okay.
Sir, if I'm not wrong, that is happening in at the time of DME configuration, right? The logic behind what you were telling algorithm and as well one is to this one GL account.
Yes,
So
sir. That is what your outgoing GL accounts, you are going to use it. Either you can do manual payments also at the time of doing manual T code, I think F-53. There instead of bank GL account, you can use bank outgoing GL account. Or in your APP, you need to give your sub accounts with respect to your payment method, where you will maintain your sub account with respect to payment method and currency, and then house bank account ID combinations. We need to maintain sub account.
Yes, sir.
If you maintain main account, it will use main account. If you use the respective sub accounts, the sub account GL will hit. That is what this entry. Debit, where? Yeah, here. Debit the vendor, credited to bank outgoing GL account. This outgoing GL account, based on your payment method, your sub GL in your APP configuration.
Sir, that sub-GL wants to open item or what's that?
It is open item. All your intermediary GL accounts should be open items. Simple, single line. All intermediary GL accounts should be open items. Sir, any mediator GL accounts, open items are simple. Your outgoing GL account or incoming GL account or provisional account, any GL account except your main bank account, all those are going to use it for mediatory. Later you are reconciling the value to your main account. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Any doubts, sir, other people? If not, you can just write down, sir, whatever you want.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలిసింది ఇది మాన్యువల్ బిఆర్ఎస్ కదా సార్, లైక్ ఇక్కడ మీరు మంత్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీ పరంగా మాన్యువల్ బిఆర్ఎస్ చేసాం కదా సార్ ఇక్కడ.
Sir, that is what I said. Manual BRS or automatic BRS based on client to client, they may do on daily basis, they may do weekly basis, or they may do monthly basis. Even manual BRS also, now you can download by evening, then you can use some macro, then you can make it a format and you can do it in system. Daily basis also now doing it, sir, manual BRSs. Okay, but nowadays nobody using manual BRS, sir, in SAP system. Okay, if you learn that one, no use of it, sir, in real time. Straight away, single answer. No use manual BRS.
సో సార్ ఇది మనకి మంత్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీలో మన సర్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఏ విధంగా సార్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది, లైక్ మంత్ అండ్ యాక్టివిటీలో?
Search string, you are using search string in BRS, not in month end activities.
సార్, సో మనకి ఏ విధంగా సార్, లైక్
Search string, as I said earlier, it is very simple, sir. Similar nature of transaction, but you want to use different GL accounts. Okay, you want to post to different GL accounts, like your sub GLs, I mean to say, your sub GLs, different sub GLs you want to post. Okay, during that time, we are going to use search strings. That means system will search based on the particular field you are maintaining. You can maintain XBELNAR reference field or ZUONR assignment field or short text field or whatever the field you are using it. Based on that field value, system will take the respective GL account, which you can maintain in your search strings. It's like your controls, sir.
సార్
Sir,
కంపెనీ సార్, లైక్ నార్మల్లీ ఒక బ్యాంక్ గనక పేమెంట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మ్యాండేటరీ కాదు కదా సార్ సర్ స్ట్రింగ్, లైక్ మల్టిపల్ ఉండేటప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలా, లేకపోతే ఒక బ్యాంక్ అయినా ఓకే సార్?
ఒక bank కాదు, even if you use one bank account or 100 bank account, search string is not a mandatory thing. Single nature of transaction. Let's take nature of transaction means, let's take example of IMPS. That is your nature of transaction. So for IMPS, you want to use single GL account for all the transactions, or you want to differentiate for the same IMPS. So if you want to differentiate, on what basis I need to differentiate? Because IMPS is common for all the line items, but how can I do further? Then you are going to use search string and you are going to maintain a common field saying that this is the field. If you ask this value, this is the GL account. This is the value, this is the GL account. That is the way you need to maintain in your search strings.
ఓకే సార్.
Clear, sir?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Others, please. Anybody having any doubt, sir?
Nothing, sir. The testing tool name ALM, sir. ALM, correct, sir?
ALM. A for
Okay.
Australia, L for London, M for Malaysia.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Sir, if no, then we'll wind up here, sir, today. 12:15 almost.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
with this,
Yes, sir.
FI MSc closings are completed. Tomorrow we will do CO closing, and if possible, we'll try to do Year-end one also, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow at what time, sir?
Same timings, sir. No changes. Both offline, online. Same timings. Same locations. Same meeting ID.
Can
Sir,
we
I have,
start little bit late, sir? Any possibility by any chance?
Sir, not possible, sir. Don't worry. I can't answer it. Not possible, simply. Sir, I'm giving it free of cost with hard work. So, frankly saying,
I
today
do,
I woke up around 4. Okay.
I do really appreciate your effort. Thank you first of all, like
I
the
came
kind of
here
support
to
you are providing.
emphasize
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for a
7:30.
better understanding, and also you have given me.
Thank you so much, sir.
Really hats off you too, sir. Because nobody can give you this kind of sessions, and like even though people are pay a lot also, they
Okay.
cannot open forum to
మెయిన్
ask.
సార్ మీరు రియల్ టైమ్ ఇది చెప్పారు సార్ లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏంటంటే డిఎంఏ ఏ విధంగా మూవ్మెంట్ చేసని చెప్పారు, కాకపోతే మీరు కొన్ని టీ కోడ్స్ చెప్పారు. ఓకే, అది ఏ విధంగా సర్వర్ టు సర్వర్ మూవ్మెంట్ చేయని చెప్పారు. సో ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ రియల్ టైమ్ సినారీస్. సో ఇప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర వింటాను. సో ఐ రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేట్ ఫర్ దట్.
Correct, correct.
Sir, if you don't mind, can anyone has recorded that session? If it is, please share in that group, no, sir, so that it will be very helpful for us.
Recording.
That session, today's session.
Your voice is not coming clarity, sir. Can you go bit slow, please? Because I am taking it up from
Yeah,
speaker.
yeah. Yes, sir. That today's sessions what I have done today, no? So, is there any record for that session?
Huh?
Yeah, it is recorded and
Any
be
record?
updated like in
It is recorded and the same will be uploaded in YouTube also. It is public, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
secret in it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.